Today is Mother's Day celebration in the girls' kindergarten, and I decided to dress Penny in this beautiful, cute ballerina dress, and because of that, she was so happy and decided to do a spin. We are all dressed and we've set off for school. I set my clock 15 minutes earlier just to be on time. You wanted to talk? And that's Melody. She's saying hi. Today the girls decided to take scooter to school with them, or rather this time we've been taking scooters with us because the weather has changed and it's summertime and it's a good time to allow them to ride their scooter. Penny, this is her second time or season rather riding the scooter, and she needs to get a hang of it, and so we allowed her to take her time. And there's Harmony and Melody trying to do a race. Yeah. Fast, fast. Yay. Yay. Penny, 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 Penny. So today I'm working from home after school drop off. I feel blessed, and it's a beautiful morning. Winter is gone. We're heading into summer. It's spring right now. Beautiful weather. See? Beautiful, 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 beautiful weather. It is well with my soul. I'm so excited in this video and feel so blessed. And you know why? That's because I'm working from home. Working 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. guys, seriously. For the longest I have lived in this country, 7 years now, and I've always had to go to work as early as 5:40, 5:30 even, every day. I'm telling you. So it's a blessing when you get a change of routine that you prayed for. It's raining. Umbrella check. It's raining. Beautiful weather. And it's raining. I didn't have any time to shoot a get ready with me video. See? But as usual, I'll show you how I look. Okay, I'm gonna prop it up. Picture, yeah. See me? I look so fine. I look fine. I look so fine. That laughter, I don't know why I laughed like that, friends, seriously. So that same day at 2 p.m. I had to finish work early and go to my friend's house who had a baby, because after now I'll be going to the girls' kindergarten for Penny's Mother's Day show, guys. Yeah, so in their school they're having Mother's Day today, and the parents or mommies are expected to come, and we did some yoga and all of that. So you're supposed to dress in comfy clothes that allowed you to exercise, and that's why my 2 pieces to the rescue. So I've arrived at Sona's and we already gave baby a very good bath, and now it's time to take care of the mommy. And I decided to make her a local soup to help her. It's a soup we make for new moms in our place. It helps mother to contract and release bad blood, helps the stomach to go back. It's very good. And this soup also serves as contraceptive, so it's very healthy and nutritious. It helps the stomach to go back, like uterus to return back into the womb and all of that. So it's a very healthy meal the Igbos make for moms when they give birth. You're expected to take this soup for 2 months and then you can stop. And we always make this soup with yam. because yam helps in producing breast milk. Did you know that? Yes, yam helps with milk production. Yam, chicken, oat, yogurt, pap, these things. So we always make this soup with yam because it's a full meal and it helps with breast milk production. The inside of this yam was not good at all. Most of it was bad. But I had to make do, because we need yam for it. So I had to just cut out a place that was good, and we managed it like that. You can see. Okay. Salt, okay? Too much?
Have to add more.
Let's leave it to boil for now. Thanks for your soup. Yeah. How did it taste? It's not pepper soup.
Yeah. It's very spicy. Yeah.
It's wine time, guys. I will share a bottle of non-alcoholic wine just to make the ambience right. Because we cannot drink while our breastfeeding. Are we gonna toast to Sona's goodness for everything? Let your own overflow, goodness and mercy. Okay, cheers. Yeah. I'm Mariah's daddy. Cheers. Food testing time and serving and drinking wine time. Just look at that. And this was so yummy, I bet you. It was yummy. It was very good. Very good. And she really liked it. Nutritious. Different also. This one is Igbo new mom soup. Yep. All done. It's perfect. Let's make egusi soup. Now egusi. We made the soup, made some egusi soup and grilled some beef. I went to baby's school. After that, we're back home.